Golden Temple, a beacon of profound spiritual significance and architectural splendor, the Golden Temple, formerly known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, resides in the vibrant city of Amritsar, Punjab, as the most revered sanctuary in Sikhism. Its origins trace back to the vision of the third Sikh Guru, Guru Amar Das, who selected the site. The execution of this vision was carried forward by his successor, Guru Ram Das, the fourth Guru, who in 1577 oversaw the completion of the sacred pool, or Sarovar. This tranquil body of water, named Amrit Sarovar, meaning pool of nectar, became the heart of a burgeoning town called Ramdaspur, which would later grow to become Amritsar. The waters of the Sarovar are considered sacred, with pilgrims believing a dip can bring spiritual purification and healing. The design and construction of the temple itself were conceived and supervised by the fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev. In a powerful demonstration of humility and interfaith harmony, he invited the revered Muslim Sufi saint Hazrat Mian Mir of Lahore to lay the foundation stone in December 1588. The temple's design intentionally embodies core Sikh principles. It was built on a level lower than the surrounding land, a symbolic architectural choice compelling visitors to descend stairs to enter, signifying the casting away of ego before entering the divine space. Further emphasizing its role as a place of universal welcome, the temple was designed with 4 entrances, one on each of the 4 sides. This represents a profound message that all people, from all corners of the world and from every caste, creed, and background, are welcome. The main structure, built on a 67-foot square platform in the center of the Amrit Sarovar, is a stunning 2-story edifice. A 202-foot-long causeway, known as the Darshini Deori or Guru's Bridge, connects the sanctum to the circumambulatory path, symbolizing the journey of the soul towards enlightenment. The lower level is sheathed in pristine white marble, adorned with intricate floral and animal motifs using a technique known as Pietra Dura, a testament to the harmonious blending of Hindu and Mughal artistic styles. The construction was a labor of love, completed in 1601 with the assistance of prominent Sikhs like Baba Buddha Ji and Bhai Gurdas Ji. A pivotal moment in the temple's history occurred on 16 August 1604, when Guru Arjan Dev completed the compilation of the Sikh holy scripture, the Adi Granth. This sacred volume, which includes the teachings of the Sikh Gurus along with hymns from Hindu and Muslim saints, was installed within the Harmandir Sahib, establishing it as the spiritual nucleus of Sikhism. The Venerable Baba Buddha was appointed as the first Granthi, or reader of the holy text. This installation affirmed the scripture's status as the eternal living Guru for all Sikhs. The temple's breathtaking golden appearance is a later, though equally significant, chapter in its history. In the early 19th century, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the founder of the Sikh Empire, undertook a magnificent renovation. A devout Sikh, he patronized